Panther RV Products invited us out today to check out the brand new black Nomadic Ark Air Plus roof vent. This vent is the first of its kind, designed to let you color coordinate your van's interior while giving it a clean, modern look that instantly upgrades your space. The Air Plus is a direct swap for your Maxxair. No cutting, no extra work. It mounts right to the same roof bracket, making installation super simple. The lid has a smoke tint that's practically clear, giving you a skylight effect during the day. And when you want privacy or to block out the sun, the blackout shade is awesome, and the fan still runs with the shade closed. Nomadic added some great upgrades too: a stronger control board, bumpers to reduce vibration, a brushless motor for lower amp draw, and a sleek integrated touchscreen. It's smooth, quiet, and built to last. Big thanks to Panther RV Products for sponsoring this video. They sell RV and campervan parts online and have a storefront right here in Washougal, Washington. They've helped us through our entire build, getting the right products at great prices. Seriously, a great company to work with. So that's the Nomadic Ark Air Plus roof vent. Stylish, functional, and easy to install. In our next video, we'll test it side by side with the Maxxair fan to see how it performs. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned.